My name is Kadesh from the Medical Benefits Scheme, and I have prepared for you a brief overview on how to go about completing the appointment process for the renewal of your expired medical benefits card. Now, to do that, you will need to visit our website, which I'm at right now, and our website address is www.mbs.gov.ag. When you get to our website, you can actually get to the appointment page in one of two ways. First, you can click on the card renewal link that's shown here, or alternatively, what you could have done is scroll down just a little bit from our home page and you would see this option available for you to schedule an appointment to renew your card, and just click where it says click here. Excellent. When the page refreshes, you will be presented with the screen for you to be able to complete your appointment. Now, I will go ahead and enter the information. First, I will need to enter my medical benefits number. After that, I'll then enter my name. And of course, my date of birth. At that point, I now have the option to choose when I would like to make my appointment. I click on the calendar and I would choose a date. I'm actually interested in coming in on the 26th. And then, after I've chosen the date, I'll proceed to selecting the time. 11 o'clock sounds perfect. Now I will go ahead and enter my contact information. After that, I'll enter my email address. And to ensure that I entered it properly, I'll enter it again where it says to confirm the email address, because at the Medical Benefits Scheme, what we will do as a courtesy is give you the option to be reminded of your upcoming appointment either via email or via telephone call. An email works perfect for me. Now I have the option of letting the staff know whether or not I will be making any changes to my card. The changes that I can make include my name, my photo, or both. I am actually going to change my name. And at this point, I will go ahead and upload the bio page of my passport. And we'll just pretend this is my passport. And now I'll also update a proof of address, which is my utility bill. Now that I have scrolled back up and checked everything to make sure they are correct, I will come down to where it asks if I need to ask any questions, if I have any comments. Actually, for my particular appointment, I will need some assistance to my seat, so I'll just let the staff know of this fact. And now I will schedule my appointment. It will take my information, it'll process, and then it will come back and tell me that my appointment was successful. Generally, I will get an email that lets me know of my appointment details. You will get something similar to this as well. And that's how you go about making your appointment for the renewal of your expired medical benefits card. Thank you.